The existence of WDT has no doubt influenced my espresso journey a lot. In my early days in the espresso world, I found the WDT to be a game changer. Not only that it was a proper solution to the ground clumping problem, it was also both cost and time efficient. Even 20 years after the concept was initially defined, it's still considered the most effective espresso accessory. No wonder they took the home barista society by storm. Nowadays, new forms of WDT tools are popping out every time, which leads to the creation of some ridiculously extravagant approaches like Weber Workshop's Moonraker. But as a financially challenged individual, I don't want to focus on the top of the food chain. I'd rather try something that's much more accessible, like this from,
Wooch!
or is it wow ouch? Not sure, honestly. But names aside, this is a wooden WDT kit, which comes with an unfamiliar mounting mechanism and comes bundled with a bunch of 0.35mm needles. The whole kit cost about $12, about 50% more than the 3D kit I bought before, though that 50% is only a mere $4 in absolute terms. We know what kind of effect these distribution tools have on espresso. I already talked about this in my past video, so I'll focus on the user experience instead. So let's give it a go then. I can't say I notice any mentionable difference compared to the 3D printed model. But needles are not as spread out, and it's ideal for my Flair's 40mm portafilters. Build quality is unfortunately a bit mediocre, with some wobble here and there, and the wood is a little thin. The question is it worth the extra cost over a 3D printed model? If you want my honest answer, it's probably not really. But I have no regrets purchasing this because it suits my 40mm portafilter very well. I don't have the skills to design my own 3D printed WDT. But you can definitely flex your skills and design your own WDT with a 3D CAD software. I mean, it's probably not that hard considering that someone went creating a 3D printed Moonraker style WDT, right? So come on, show us your designs and let us have them for free. That's it for now, until next time.